Tired of installing software one by one on Windows? Today I'm showing you how to create a one-click software installer that installs everything automatically, without any third-party applications. Fast, clean, professional. Perfect for IT setups and fresh Windows installations. Let's build it. Connect a pen drive less than 8 GB. Format with NTFS, change to default size, and click Format. Once format is finished, create a folder with name installers. Download all of the installation file .exe or .msi files to be installed in one click. I have downloaded all the files I need and copying to the folder we create in the pen drive. Let's create a new text file where we need to keep the command to install in. Copy and paste all the commands I pasted in transcript and save as any name.bat file and select all files. Right-click and run as administrator and see the magic. One by one, it will install. You can keep adding .exe or MSI files, installer files, and click the .bat file, it will keep updating. Why this script is better than third-party software installers. More secure. No unknown background services, bundled apps, ads, or telemetry from third-party software. Full control. You decide exactly what gets installed, updated, or removed. Faster deployment. Install all required software in one click without manually downloading each application. Using your own installer script gives you more control, better security, faster deployments, and a cleaner Windows setup compared to third-party installer tools. There are no ads, no bundled software, and no unnecessary background applications, just pure automation built your way. You are the boss. And that's it! You now have your own one-click Windows software installer running without any third-party software. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more IT automation, server setup, and remote support tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.